what different options you have to insulate a home.
Well, yeah, existing insulation. So it's, in terms of retrofitting insulation, it's a lot different to retrofitting insulation in a new home, because it's a much dirtier job. And what's inside a roof space, you just don't know until you really have a look at it. And it could be anything from, asbestos fibres in some old insulation from a really long time ago to pumping glass wool, rock wool, foam pieces that have been put in there and are disintegrated over time. You see the lot. But majority of the cases, it's a lot of the insulation that you find that's in your roof, probably 90% of the time you just leave it in there and we just top it up. And topping it up is with anything, either a polyester insulation or a glass bat insulation. Glass bat being a lot cheaper than polyester, because the polyester prices have gone up a lot. Can't trust all the suppliers out there, because not all of them are very consistent in the way that they produce the products. But with glass insulation in the last year or so, they've gotten a lot better. They're a lot denser, so the materials are not deflating as much as what they used to in the old days.